let's open a new project that I'm so excited about. It's a music studio, and this one is from Hongda. And it comes with a dust cover. It doesn't really say what it's called. I'll have to look that up, but let's see what's in the boxes. It just says dollhouse on there. So. All right. Hu Guang Studio instruction manual. Is this in English? It is. Yay. It does have lights and everything. That's fun. Yay. All right. Oh, material list. This is nice and big. It's good when they're big like this and separate from the instructions. This looks like the material is the same, just not in English, I think. I wonder what that's for. Oh, I see. This is the... So that's material list, but this is all of the paper goods. So what I'm going to do on this one, I'm excited. I'm actually going to make the posters and the art. You are my superstars. That's cute. Actual, like I'm going to make this a Prince poster and get some Beatles posters on the walls. And I think I'm going to get more instruments too, because you can buy little instruments online. So that will be fun. Okay, so let's keep that clean. I don't want to get that dirty. Let's see what's in this one. This is A. So we will, I assume it's A. Alright. Oh, interesting what that pink stuff is. Looks like moss. Oh, here's the lights. So H, G, F, G, and H. Okay. There's wires and stuff, it looks like. Let's see what this stuff is. C, D, E. Oh god, there's a lot of them. A lot of little ones. I'm gonna have to get me more little totes here so I can divide them all up. E. Cute. All right. Music box looks like. Maybe this is A because that's the bigger pieces. Just various wall pieces and such. That's where the music box goes, if I ever saw it. Must be the, maybe this is the base. Is this how small it is? Because this... Oh, it's very small. I mean, I'm not sad about that because, you know, I've done smaller, but yeah, wow, if that's the size of it, it's just really kind of tiny. Makes sense, though. Where's the flooring? Yeah, this is the floor. I put it kind of via the real line. Yeah, that's the floor. So that's the size of it. It's just this little box. Oh, much smaller than I thought. It's cute though. It'll be really adorable. So yeah, there we go. Excited to get started. My music studio. Yay. So this is the first of this new kit. Very excited. But it's really different than some of the other kits that I've found in that it has you starting with like really tiny little things Usually kits have you start with like the base picture, the base pieces and the major wall pieces, and you start with those, which I think is easier because then you can get a whole handle on how the instructions are worded and translated and set up. So, but this one's just the opposite. So we're gonna try and go with it and try not to lose any of these little bitty pieces. So these are the wall, this is the wall decor. So I had to cut some of this stuff to get it to, whoops, new glue. Now I just dumped my brush there. Had to cut some of it apart to get it to fit on the piece. That it was, because there's a template for where the wall decor should fit on the cardboard. But the picture they show you isn't the same as how all the art is laid out. It's kind of strange that way. So I cut the cardboard into the wall decor pattern, and so I just kind of cut them apart and made them all fit. So we'll see how that works. We'll see what we come up with. We'll see where some of this stuff is supposed to end up, and then see what art we come up with instead. I'll just print it out on a printer and come up with some way to attach it to this stuff. So my fingers will work. Let's try and get some of the little one first. Again. Hi, Boo Boo. All right. Yay. Hi, yes, hello. Step one is complete. Yes, so the next one we're going to do is the guitar. Hi, Love Bug. What do you want? You want some love? Okay, have a snacky before you go to bed. So, really don't want to screw this guy up, so let's do. I'm right here, babe. You have food in your bowl. Look, I can see it right there. Look, there's food right there. thing about it, doing the big stuff first is it kind of gets your hands going and used to using your knives and stuff again. I'm not used to that yet. Try to get around the thread here. There we go. Alright. So that's gonna go on there. So cute. Alright, there's our first instrument. Yay!